Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix blurry story on Facebook using your mobile device. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So now, open your Facebook application and sign in your account. And then after that, click on the menu section or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen. Now click on the settings icon or the gear icon at the upper right side of your screen. Now, click on the search icon at the upper right corner of your screen and search for media. Okay, now select media. Now under the video quality, just go ahead and select optimized, okay? Because once you've selected optimized, it manages your default video quality and the amount of cellular data you use with the following options, okay? So right here. So if you have a bad connection, the story may still show a little bit blurry, but just go ahead and try the steps. And if you follow these steps, it should help you to fix blurry story on Facebook. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.